What if I told you becoming a millionaire isn't usually about winning the lottery, having a perfect education, or being born into a wealthy family? In fact, many self-made millionaires started with ordinary jobs, average incomes, and very little money. So what separates them from everyone else? It's not luck. It's not genius. It's their habits. Because wealth isn't built in a single day. It's built through small financial decisions, made consistently over many years. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 money habits that many millionaires practice every day, and how these simple habits can help anyone build a stronger financial future. Let's begin. One of the most common habits among wealthy people is paying themselves first. Before spending money on entertainment, shopping, or unnecessary expenses, they save or invest a portion of every paycheck. They don't wait until the end of the month. They make saving the first priority, even if it's only a small amount, because they understand consistency is more important than size. Small investments, made regularly, can grow into significant wealth over time. This sounds simple, but surprisingly, many high-income earners still struggle financially. Why? Because as their income grows, their spending grows too. Bigger houses, luxury cars, expensive vacations. Millionaires often avoid this trap. Instead of increasing every expense, they focus on increasing their investments. They know financial freedom comes from the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Millionaires don't rely only on saving. They make their money work for them. They invest in assets such as stocks, index funds, businesses, real estate, and other long-term investments. They don't try to predict every market move. Instead, they invest consistently, year after year, because they understand that time is one of the greatest wealth-building tools. One investment many millionaires never stop making is investing in themselves. They read books, listen to podcasts, learn new skills, study successful people, and stay curious, because knowledge creates opportunities. The more you learn, the more value you can create. And the more value you create, the greater your earning potential often becomes. Most people depend on one paycheck. Millionaires often build several sources of income: businesses, investments, rental properties, dividend income, online businesses, digital products. The goal isn't simply to work harder, it's to create systems that continue generating income even when they're not actively working. This gives them greater financial stability over time. Millionaires rarely make financial decisions based only on today. They think years ahead, sometimes decades. Before spending money, they ask themselves, will this decision help me 5 years from now? Instead of chasing instant gratification, they focus on delayed rewards, because patience often creates opportunities that impulsive decisions destroy. Every successful investor and entrepreneur takes risks, but not reckless risks. Millionaires research, plan, prepare, understand the downside, and then they take action. They know that waiting forever can sometimes be riskier than making a well-informed decision. They don't gamble. They calculate. The truth is, millionaires don't usually have completely different opportunities. They often have different habits. They pay themselves first, spend less than they earn, invest consistently, keep learning, Build multiple income streams. Think long-term. And take calculated risks. None of these habits require you to be wealthy today. But practiced consistently, they can help move you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through thousands of smart decisions, repeated over many years. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more finance, investing, and wealth-building content. And let us know in the comments, which of these 7 millionaire money habits are you going to start practicing today?